Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your internal storage, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Also you can check the collections, and then you can go to nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Then you can use clean function, thanks to which you can clean junk files from your smartphone, and in the end you can use bin to find the previously deleted files. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.